So, um, welcome to my new video, and today I share what I learned because this is I am making video because of I have to share what I learn each and every day. That's why I can analyze myself. So, just come on the topic because actually right now tell me I want to say one thing. I'm not happy with my life at this position which life I am living. I'm not living that life what I deserve. I know right now I am in comfort zone and I want to jump out from this zone, as I told earlier in my video series. So the thing is that how can uh, how can I change my life? How can I change? I always thinking about that. I think I am fascinated to overthinking, and I think everybody in their 20s uh, go for fascinating thinking and daydreaming, that kind of dreams. I want to this kind of relationship, this kind of passion, this kind of car, these kinds of home, these kinds of lifestyle. I want to live like that. But the reason behind this is that nobody work for that. Like only thinking, like I'm talking about myself. I just think and I don't want to, and I want to that kind of person be, and I want to live that kind of lifestyle. But I'm not walking like this. So how I can live that kind of life? But I actually when I come in front of camera, before in front of camera I have to lots of things to say, but when I come in front of camera I don't have anything to say. I don't know why this is happening before 2 days. I really very confused to this point. So firstly I changed. I will definitely change, not now. And I'm making video. Ideally I don't want to make video each and every day, but I think that if now I break the consistency, now I have cold, so I break the consistency, then how I can achieve my goal? But I don't want to break my consistency. That's why I just open the camera and say anything what I want to say. Really, I don't have any pre-planned, that structured planned. I have to say this and this and this and this. Really, I don't have any pre-planned things. I just open the camera and just speak whatever what is coming in my mind, and just speak and speak and speak. So the things that I know that I'm in comfort zone. I'm in very comfort zone. I don't know how I can get from this comfort zone because something is very wrong happening with me, and I even can't find out what is happening. But definitely, I will found not now, but after some time. So the thing is that. But I'm thinking that like I'm wasting my time, right? And really I'm not happy. To be very honest, I'm not happy. These kind of life, like this is my, you can see this is my study table where I just used to study, and this is my room. This is my mirror where I like this is my room, like personal room, and this is the whatever the formula list of like teaching. This is my bed. That's why this is my bed here. So just look at this, and so my window always closed रहता है वो, that's why. And this is a bookshelf. There is a bookshelf. You can just see my bookshelf. This is, but this is not this. I want. I honestly say to you that I want a personal library. I have a personal library where I can go and sit at the chair, and open my book from my bookshelf, take out book and open the book on the table and just read. And very peaceful, very peace environment. I'm just reading and reading and reading and just understanding the things what I'm read, what I understand. And I have another living room where I can go for take rest. I have a uh, dinner, dinner, you can say dinner table where I can go and take dinner with my family. And I think that I have yeah, I have in my library room, I have big TV for watching only courses, not for watching entertainment, like this. I have TV in my library room because I want to, if I join any course and I can play on that TV and just enjoying these things, that will be very amazing. Trust me. I don't know when this will come true. But to look at one thing. This is the BMW car. I put that photo before 1 year. Right now they're putting. I want that car. Not only want. Everybody saying that why you want. Yeah, right. Everybody want to the biggest car, luxury car, but not I want right now. I want when I deserve that things. I not कि मैं deserve नहीं कर रहा and then I want that things. I want when I deserve. So it's all my dream about what I'm talking to you. It's I'm sharing with you dream and a home, pure home, and building things, many things, happiness, family. All family are very happy, celebrating every celebration, celebrating every festival, celebrating everyone like marriage anniversary, birthday, but not I am enjoying that much. I don't know why, but I'm not enjoying that. I'm thinking that when I achieve my financial goal and all the things, then definitely I will enjoy the things like that. If I'm not wrong, I have lots of dream, lots of goal, but I'm not working on, my dear. I don't know why, but I have to work. Not now. After 1 year, after 2 year, definitely I will work. Otherwise, I know that the things life will go in another zone. I never stop learning. Never stop learning. I learn each and every day. I learn small things, not to do like a athlete's work, but definitely sure I will do something different for my family. Until no one can do that kind of things, I will do that kind of things. I have dream, and as I know, whatever our mind can conceive, it can be achieved. So definitely I will achieve. I'm thinking about that. And right now I am just doing uh, one good thing. I doing that two, 1 to 2 good things right now. I'm doing that. First thing, I go gym every day. I go to gym. I'm going to gym every day. Second thing, I'm doing good things is that I read book. I read books. Third thing I'm doing good is listening podcast. Three things I am doing right now that add value in my life. That is adding value in my life. And I think only three things I am in comfort zone doing that things like eat, sleep, wake up, read, listening podcast, go to gym. This is my life. I'm not taking action anything. Yeah, this can say action. This is I also take action, but I don't know why I'm not happy with this level of my life. I want to change my life. And I know if I'm saying I want what everyone wants to change their life, I have to change my life. I deserve more than I right now I have. I deserve more respect. I deserve more good food. I deserve better lifestyle than now. I deserve all the luxuries. I deserve all happiness, all kinds of happiness. I deserve everything what a great people deserve. But what I will do first, I think first I have to become great people. How I can become great people? Really, I don't know anything about that. I am saying this is going in my mind. I'm totally open in this group because I think that here is the person who is listening me or we can match our mindset. That's why I am speaking here. So definitely we will meet tomorrow. तब तक के लिए टेक केयर, बाय, सी यू सून.